Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best vacuum cleaners. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. Meet the Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum, a powerful, lightweight cleaning machine designed for carpets, stairs, and bare floors with advanced HEPA filtration. At around $121.49, this vacuum offers excellent value for a Shark model. You're getting premium features like HEPA filtration and lift-away convenience at a budget-friendly price point. Lift-away technology. Detach the pod for easy cleaning on stairs and furniture. HEPA Plus anti-allergen seal. Traps dust, allergens, and fine particles inside. Swivel steering. Smooth control around furniture and tight spaces. Lightweight design, easier to carry and maneuver than bulky vacuums. Multi-surface cleaning, works on carpets, hardwood, tile, and upholstery. Wide upholstery tool plus crevice tool, deep cleaning for corners, sofas, and edges. Washable filters, reusable filters save money long-term. Corded power, consistent suction without battery drop-off. Pros. Strong suction for carpets and pet hair. Excellent allergen control with HEPA system. Very versatile with lift-away feature. Easy to steer and use around furniture. Cons. Corded design limits mobility range. Can feel slightly bulky compared to stick vacuums. No automatic cord rewind. Number 4. Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360. Meet the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe NV360 Upright Vacuum, a powerful corded cleaner designed for deep carpet cleaning and versatile whole home use. At around $187.99, this model sits in the mid-range category. You're paying a bit more, but you get upgraded dust capacity and strong HEPA filtration performance. Lift-away technology. Detach the pod for stairs, furniture, and above-floor cleaning. Large dust cup capacity. Clean longer without frequent emptying. HEPA filtration system. Traps dust, allergens, and fine particles. Swivel steering. Easy movement around furniture and tight corners. Bagless design. No replacement bags needed. Multi-surface cleaning. Works on carpets and hard floors. Upholstery tool plus crevice tool. Detailed cleaning for sofas, edges, and tight spaces. Corded power. Consistent suction without battery fade. Pros. Strong suction performance for deep carpet cleaning. Large dust cup reduces interruptions. Excellent allergen control with HEPA system. Very versatile lift-away design. Cons. Heavier than stick vacuums. Corded design limits range. No advanced smart features or auto mode. Number 3. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252. Meet the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252, a powerful pet-focused vacuum designed to lift embedded hair and dirt from carpets and multiple surfaces. At around $119.99, this is a strong budget-friendly option. It delivers pet hair cleaning performance and useful features without a premium price tag. Triple action brush roll, loosens, lifts, and removes embedded pet hair. Swivel steering, smooth movement around furniture and tight spaces. Scatter-free technology, reduces mess on hard floors while cleaning. Large dirt tank, 1L capacity, less frequent emptying. Edge-to-edge cleaning, reaches corners and wall edges effectively. Multi-cyclonic system, helps maintain consistent suction power. 6-inch hose plus attachments. Useful for upholstery and above-floor cleaning. Lightweight, 12.5 pounds, easier to push and control than heavier uprights. Pros. Excellent for pet hair removal. Very affordable for the performance level. Easy swivel control for maneuvering. Good edge and corner cleaning. Cons. Noisy at around 80 dB. Small dust tank compared to higher-end models. Corded design limits mobility. Basic build with no advanced smart features. Number 2. Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E. Meet the Shark Navigator Lift-Away NV356E Upright Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful pet-friendly cleaning system built for carpets, hard floors, and whole home use with advanced HEPA filtration. At around $199.99, this is a premium mid-range Shark vacuum. You're paying more, but you get stronger suction, better pet tools, and a longer 5-year warranty. Lift-Away detachable pod, clean stairs, sofas, and hard-to-reach areas easily. HEPA filter plus anti-allergen seal, traps 99.9% of fine dust and allergens. Pet power brush, designed specifically for removing stubborn pet hair. Swivel steering, smooth control around furniture and corners. Brush roll shutoff plus 2-speed control, switch between carpet and hard floors. Multi-surface cleaning, works on carpet, hardwood, tile, and upholstery. Large tool kit, includes dusting brush, crevice tool, and 5-foot hose. Washable filters, reusable and cost-saving long-term. Strong 1200W motor, delivers deep cleaning suction power. Pros: excellent pet hair removal performance. Strong suction with adjustable settings. Very effective HEPA allergen control. Durable build with 5-year warranty. Highly versatile lift-away design. Cons: slightly heavy at 13.7 pounds. Corded operation limits movement range. Can be noisy during high-power use. Dust cup is not the largest in class. Number 1. Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252. Meet the Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet Upright Vacuum 2252, a powerful pet hair cleaning vacuum built for carpets, hard floors, and everyday home messes. At just $119.99, this is one of the best budget pet vacuums. You get strong cleaning power, useful tech, and pet-focused performance without spending much. Triple action brush roll, lifts embedded pet hair, dirt, and debris. Swivel steering, easy movement around furniture and tight spaces. Scatter-free technology, prevents mess spreading on hard floors. Large 1L dirt tank, clean longer before emptying. Edge-to-edge cleaning, reaches corners and wall edges effectively. Multi-cyclonic system, helps maintain suction power. 6-inch hose plus attachments, for stairs, sofas, and upholstery. Lightweight design, 12.5 pounds, easier to push and control. Pros: excellent for pet hair removal. Very affordable price. Strong carpet performance. Easy swivel maneuverability. Cons: can be noisy, around 80 dB. Small dust capacity compared to premium models. Basic build quality. Corded only, no battery option. If you want powerful pet cleaning on a budget, this is a great pick. Check the link in the description for today's price and deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more vacuum reviews.